How to transfer money from Plum to bank account. Follow the instructions. Open the Plum app and log into your account using your secure credentials to access your dashboard. Tap on the Pockets tab at the bottom of the screen to view your savings and investment pockets in Plum. Select the pocket you wish to transfer money from, such as Primary Pocket or any custom savings pocket. Tap Withdraw to initiate the transfer process and choose how much money you want to move to your bank. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and ensure it does not exceed your available balance in the pocket. Confirm the linked bank account details are correct, or add a new account if you haven't linked one yet. Review the transfer summary including the amount, destination, and estimated time for funds to arrive. Tap Confirm to complete the withdrawal. Funds typically reach your bank within a few business days. Thank you for watching.